Remedies presents
Use ginger and turmeric and say goodbye to knee and arthritis pain. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you an amazing remedy to cure any kind of arthritis and knee pain. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. In today's remedy, we will use ginger and turmeric to treat knee and arthritis pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger seem to help relieve pain and improve function for all types of arthritis. The compounds in ginger can function in the same way as common medications for rheumatoid arthritis or psoriatic arthritis. Similarly, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that is very beneficial for people with rheumatoid arthritis. So let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: small piece of ginger, small piece of turmeric root, black pepper, half teaspoon. Procedure: take the small piece of ginger, grate it and extract its juice. Similarly, grate turmeric root piece and extract its juice. Mix 1 teaspoon ginger juice and 1 teaspoon turmeric root juice in a glass of warm water and leave it for 5 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, stir it well and drink. Use this remedy till you feel relief. Ginger root with fresh turmeric root juice treats knee pain due to arthritis more effectively.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.